Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from the Sleeper app. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Sleeper app on your device and log into your account. Ensure you are connected to the internet for a smooth withdrawal process. Once logged in, look for the wallet icon, which displays your available balance and transaction history. Tap on the wallet to proceed to the withdrawal options. In the wallet section, you will see your current balance and a withdraw option. Tap on Withdraw to access the withdrawal window. Here, you can choose how much money you want to withdraw from your account. Next, select your preferred withdrawal method. Sleeper typically offers various options like bank transfers, PayPal, or other payment services. Choose the method that works best for you and enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Before finalizing, double-check the withdrawal amount and selected method. Once you are sure everything is correct, tap on Confirm Withdrawal. You may be asked to verify your identity through a confirmation code sent to your email or phone. After confirming your withdrawal, your request will be processed. Depending on your chosen method, this may take anywhere from a few hours to a few business days. You can track the status of your withdrawal in the transaction history within the wallet section. So that's basically how you can withdraw money from the Sleeper app. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.